When we start in here, 7th period from 2 to 3, it's me and 75 players.
What's that like? 70 kids on the court.
You organize chaos. So today is a zone day, so we'll go zone 5-on-5, okay? And then starting at 3 o'clock, we'll do our normal breakdown. Okay, so let's get 4-ball shooting going. I'll put this in. Good, concerted, focused effort. A lot of things have changed, over 4 years. I haven't had this class. I only have 3 seniors, and I think there were 30 freshmen when they started, so there's only 3 remaining. There's been a lot of attrition, a lot of transfers out. So I'm hoping just to rebuild and we keep pictures up and dates so they realize their connection to the past and what a rich history that we had here and what was made.
He's a tough coach. He knows a lot because he came back. He has experience. It'll be fun. I'm going to learn a lot from him.
There's a lot of pressure knowing what he's done in the past, but it just helps us, gives us motivation, and just come out and kill it every day.
Oh my, over the back.
So foul on Ben.
Rebound.
Demanding, but rewarding at the same time. He brings more intensity and the want to compete and want to win.
What's really funny is some of the kids that are playing for me now played for me in 3rd and 4th grade. Back when I was coaching MVYB and NJB, and I currently have a son here who's a sophomore. So it's fun to be back and kind of reconnect with some of the kids that I coached at a younger age. Yeah, it's like stealing, right? I mean, I'm telling you ahead of time, here are the answers to the test. Every time you're gonna get that shot. You're gonna get that shot. Trust me, it's 26 years of running it, you're gonna get that shot. Jake Connerty starting at our point guard. He's a tall point guard. He's very, very skilled with a high IQ. He's about 6'4".
I'm longer on defense. I can guard multiple positions. I can take the ball up the court and see up the court, see over defenders, pass over defenders, and I can run an offense.
One of our off guards is Ray Billing. He can shoot it a little bit. Dude, Ray, you could have a field day just on that spot. It just gets you that spot. That spot likes you. The other off guard is Griff Higgins. He's a bulldog. He's kind of the heart and soul of the team. Blue collar worker, high IQ, does all the little things.
I bring my defensive intensity, and then on the offensive end, sharing the ball.
Zach Gold is a 4-year varsity player. He's left over. Zach's awesome. Zach, blue collar, will take a charge. He'll score when we need him to score, and does a really nice job.
As a team, we need to shoot better and play more as one on the defensive end.
Nathan Hewitt is also, he's a junior, and he's a 3-year varsity player who's returning, who shoots the ball really well, and he has aspirations to play at the next level.
I have a pretty good shooting ability, and I can score both the shooting and driving.
So I have a nice core. I only have 3 returning players off last year's team. And of the 11 we have, there are 8 juniors, 3 seniors, and then 1 sophomore. So we're pretty young and inexperienced at the varsity level. Dude, Jake, honestly, as a bread and butter, you should be unstoppable when we run that. If you come back to a postman is going to switch out on you.
This real practice is intense, always moving, working hard, and just getting prepared for the season ahead.
Keep it in front. Good. Yes. Be on balance. You can just take and come back through and maybe step through and throw the ball. Don't let him push you when you're off balance. Be stronger with the ball.
It's fun. It's competitive. We got a lot of guys. We can score a lot. It's just fun. It's just intense. We'll get better every day.
Hopefully get 20 wins this year and do well. I think we can win the league, definitely. And we're going to have to work together as a team, and everybody's going to have to play hard. And I really think we can win a league title this year.
Nice job. Great job, Lenny, John. Head up.
It's going to take a lot of hard work and dedication, but I believe that we'll be able to win league this year.
I really did. When I was younger and I first got the job at 32, I felt this inherent pressure to keep up with football and keep up with the Joneses, and there's a lot of pressure on campus to win, to win, to win. And I tried to explain to my administration when they asked me how it would be different this time around, I said, I really need to focus on the player itself, that life beyond basketball extends beyond the lines on the court. And so this year we've had a really good summer. I said there's going to be a big learning curve. We finished about 500 over the summer. Okay, which was good for some of the competitions we played, but we played a ton of 3 and 4 point close games and losses that we need to get back to learning how to win. And that's one thing I was shocked when I came back. Here, kids were hoping to win instead of expecting to win.
Can I get a microphone?
You're not cool. I have one.
Mic'd up? Why can I get mic?
Hello. What's up, y'all?
Testing.
What's up, y'all? I got a hit mic. It's DJ Khaled up in here. DJ Ray.
I just have it here so Ray can put his head between my
Asian
I'm sick of seeing the crowds the last 4 years, right?
Yeah.
So let's do a good job, support each other out there. Okay, Diablos on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Diablo, yeah!